Are you going to show me another model kit, Beach? I want you to show me this.
What do you want to see?
I've been hanging out for this girl.
Oh. Who is that? It's Amana Osaki.
Amana Osaki.
How do you say it again?
Amana Osaki.
Oh, very good.
You're welcome.
Now,
what's she famous for?
Don't know.
Is she one of your porn star girls? So is she one of the plum? What is this? What am I looking at?
So she's part of the shiny coloured idols.
Shiny coloured idols.
Mm.
Really?
So if you don't know, this is part of the 30-minute Sisters range.
Oh, we've discussed that. I don't know that you can say that anymore.
Oh, okay. So that's Bandai.
Let's go to overhead.
And they've got a selection of these which are dressed up like pop idols.
Pop idols.
Because Kotobukiya have been doing these size figures for a very long time, and they've been getting into idol sort of themed clothing as well. Now you can get the clothing as separate additional parts for all your other figures if you bought them previously, or you just buy this one where it all comes together.
I think you'd look good in that.
You think I'd look good in it?
Yeah.
Really?
Does it come in your size?
I don't know. I haven't looked yet.
Well, you said you could get it.
Oh, good.
I think you should.
Right. All right then. Thank you for that.
For Model Expo, I think you should dress like this lady.
Oh, I don't know if I've got enough time.
Oh, you got
How about when I finish the Fiat? That makes it really safe for me.
Does it?
What do you think? Do you like that? You're going to have
Amana
a look inside?
Osaka. Hang on, I'm having a good look at the box.
Oh, you like the box? You got the different faces?
Of course. I really appreciate you. She's got a surprise face. They always give them a surprise face. Look, yeah.
Oh. Yeah. So you can do all your stop motion animation and stuff. Well, I think we're out of
focus. I thought it was just the blood rushing from my head.
It's upside down.
Here we go.
Wait, what are we looking at?
I'm not sure.
Oh, you're looking at the top.
Oh, there we go. Yeah, she definitely. Oh, she's got a microphone. Oh, that's how you know she's a pop star. I thought you were just making it up.
And here's where you can get all the additional other bits, different hair and things, and customize them.
Different hair?
Yep. And then if you want to, you got the full leather mode.
Leather mode.
Oh, I'm coming back in.
This little toy girl, she's got a full leather mode there, TFJ.
Oh.
Look at that.
Okay.
You going to crack it?
Yeah.
All right.
We're
a bit tight there.
He already has.
Box diving.
Oh, well, I think we're a bit tight there. There we go.
Oh,
there's different faces. They're all painted.
And they're pre-painted.
Yes. They do give you decals too. So if you want to paint over this and do your own custom.
Nah, they're already done. If they're already done, why would you?
Why would you? So what do you got there? You got 3 different types.
Yeah.
Of face. So face plates, you can just easily.
Face plates.
Yep. Change.
You've
got this
some part of robe.
Yeah, it looks like it hangs off the back there, and it's got a pearl effect in it.
It does, isn't it? Like metallic.
Yeah. And transparent, right?
What a beautiful color palette.
Like that?
Lots of parts.
Yeah, heaps of parts.
Isn't it?
Let's get the focus.
So you're always buggering up the focus.
Where are you? Keep moving around.
Well, making magic happen.
Have you? There you go. So you got skinny bits?
Skinny bits.
Yep. And that'll be the hair, right?
Have a look at this part here, how fine that is. Texture. I'm not sure what it is, but hair.
Yep. Different hair.
And you said you can buy different parts.
Yeah.
Got a funny,
different outfits.
Got a funny looking washer.
That's right. That's part of the dress.
Dress.
Frilly bits. Got legs.
And that's white. Oh, that's a white, isn't it? That's a blinding white.
Yeah.
Crisp.
There's a shoe there.
Wondered by the white.
There you go. Well, I'd give you plenty of time to do shadowing.
Shadows. You like shadows?
Wouldn't it?
You like shadows or you like just being in them? What?
I don't know.
What?
I think I'd do my best work in the dark. That's enough rustling for me. This one's getting boxed up.
Is it? I haven't had the time to rustle. Oh, actually, I rustled one before, right?
It's very rustly, that plastic. Very rustly.
Yeah, they will do that.